Solve x square plus 1 into dy by dx plus y square plus 1 equal to 0. So this we can solve this problem by using variable or separable method. Solution: given equation is, now we can separate the x variables and y variables. So cross multiplication, dy as it is, y square plus 1 get denominator, plus dx is numerator by x square plus 1 equal to 0. Now integration, take integration dx by x square plus 1 plus dy by y square plus 1 integral equal to c. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square into dx formula is tan inverse x plus 1 by y square plus 1 into dy equal to tan inverse y. So here c can be written in tan inverse c. So, take tan on both sides, then tan of tan inverse